friends, good evening. Hoping and expecting all are safe and fine. Nowadays there are a lot of notification and clarifications are coming out, so I will tell one by one. That is last 2 days back foundation examination. There were many students are confused regarding the foundation examination. So that is the institute has given the clarification, notification, instructions, and how the exam will conduct and whatever all the details they have given. I already shared that notification in Telegram channel and WhatsApp group, and in Facebook page also I have shared, so you can watch there. In community tab also I have shared in YouTube, so you can watch that. If you want details about that, just please message me, so I will sit and explain about that. So next clarification that regarding today we received one notification that fill up home based and center based, that pop-up message will come which center you want to going to choose and what level of you are choosing, like home based or center based, or you are taking opt-out option. So that clarification we received today, that notification I will share that also. So that they extended again one day, that is a 15th November 2020 till 15th November they have extended, so you can utilize it. Whoever not yet filled, you can fill it and send it. You will get letter that message successfully submitted, your home based examination or a center based successfully submitted. Before that I am getting lot of messages that ma'am, we are not getting we are not able to submit the proper details, whatever it is asking. We are taking photos and it is not submitted due to internet connection. We lost we are not filled the registration number, we are not filled the email ID, we are not, so such kind of a problem. So please, such kind of a problems, email the institute. They have given in the notification down one email they have given, so you can mail them. If you have submitted your registration number, email address and phone number, then no need to worry. That is also enough. You will get message after 2-3 days. Your option is selected, home based and center based, whatever you choose, so that you will get message. If you are not given your registration number and mail ID and phone number, that time you will face the problem. So that make sure that these 3 things, mail ID, registration number and your mobile number, because you have to receive from that your login credentials. So that's are important. If it didn't take your photo and it didn't take your proof, because it will tell there one message, please keep your registration ID proof and this, that it will tell, but sometimes it won't take. It will go and submit directly and it will take your option is submitted successfully. So such kind of a way, if it is happen, if you have submitted your registration number, your email ID and phone numbers, these 3 things if you have submitted, and rest of the things you are not able to submit, so no need to worry. Just it is submitted, then you are fine. Till if you have doubts, so mail the institute, sir, I am facing this problem in this in the examination time, it should not create any problem, so I am doing my end, I am just mailing you, so please take care of it. You do your work on your side perfectly. If any doubt you have already mailed, so that time you can ask, sir, we did this, this problem is coming. So this is only I am telling. And now the home based or center based, they have extended till 15th November 2020. So today 12, 13, 14, 15, till 3 days you have. So go and fill it. Whoever not yet opened that and fill it, opened that option and didn't fill that, so just fill it and make it submit. So no need to worry about that. There are lot of queries again I am getting, ma'am, this is the problem, that is the problem, while filling this I am getting this problem, that problem. So you no need to worry. If 3 things whatever I told as registration, email and your phone number, if you submitted, that is enough. They will give you a message that successfully submitted. It will come after 2-3 days later. So make that, you no need to worry. In the center based, if you didn't choose anything, automatically by default it will select center based. So center based, you no need to worry. Opt out, you should choose opt out only. Okay, so this is it. And about there is a some queries whichever is newly trending, that is the extension of examination. So we all are requested from my side. I did my bit, that is I mailed institute from my fraternity side, that is like similarly whatever I am getting the messages, ma'am, we want the time for get familiar with the system, because okay, now a lot of students are there who are sitting last 1 year, 1.5 years studying for they are waiting for June and December examination. For them also now I think it's required time, because they have released they have just clarified us last month before only that they are taking online examination, because we are not expected, but they are taking, that is fine. But now we are just expecting 15 to 30 days, minimum 15 days we required time for get familiar with the system. So please, we are hoping, because whatever I am listening from the members and all, we are hoping for the positive, at least 15 days we should get, because we should practice the mock test and whatever online basis we are facing the problem, so that should be clarified, that should be resolved. So that's what we require time, or nothing else, not for study or anything. As a student, every time we will feel we required extension, because our study never end and we want extension only. That is not a matter, but this time it is a genuinely we are feeling that it's required 15 days minimum to get the practice with the system, get the practice with the typing. We will see the what kind of a question papers are coming and what and all we are facing. So please, I have mailed myself, so whoever asking me, ma'am, extension, please you also make one mail to the institute to request that we required some time for practice, for mock test practice through system. So that just request it will be helpful, because whatever I saw the speeches about our Papan sir and all, they are telling like some elections will be going on, Kerala elections, and mock test, CA exams will clash. So let's hope for the best. I think it will be favor in the majority like students, but we should not leave our we should not relax that okay, we will get the time and we will relax. Deepavali, enjoy, but till study. We know whenever we feel we are getting extension, then everyone will be relaxed. So please don't do that, because we don't have time, because how much we study, it is less only, and especially for final levels it is different. So I am telling, please, if whatever the things, I think they will conduct their meeting 21st, 22nd, as I heard from some of the members. So let us see what they will decide and what they are going to answer it. Hoping it will be positive, but don't stop your study, be studying. And if you have any doubt or queries, please message in the comment box, so I will try to resolve it whenever I will get time. So please, this is the today's notification. 15th November you can fill the option, that is the home based, center based or opt out. So till 15th November they are given, so please fill it, and after that they are not going to entertain, because lot of time they have extended. So please, whoever pending, fill it and make it your side, safer side. Okay, this is it. If you have any doubt, please message me. I will try to make it solve whenever I'll get time. And guys, enjoy your Deepavali. Happy Diwali guys. Take care. Bye bye.